To start ultrasound imaging, first select a mode of imaging from the top toolbar, such as transthoracic echocardiography. Ensure that the probe and mannequin are active in the probe control panel. The ultrasound image generated by the student will be displayed alongside the 3D model window, which shows the probe position in real time as it is moved. During transthoracic imaging, the position of the probe is represented by a red rectangle on the ribcage diagram in the probe control panel. The 3D model can be manipulated freely by the tutor while imaging is taking place. Similarly, the mannequin and probe can be used for TEE imaging. Select TEE in the upper toolbar and ensure that the probe and mannequin are active in the probe control panel. When the probe controls are used by a student, these movements are represented in the probe control window. Changes in depth, probe turning, anteflexion and retroflexion, lateral flexion, and ultrasound plane rotation are shown, as well as being visible in the 3D model window. Different modes of imaging, Doppler functions, depth of field, gain and focus adjustments and measurements can be applied to the image using the ultrasound control console below the ultrasound image. In addition, TEE imaging can be performed without a mannequin and probe by selecting the mouse mode from the probe control panel. In this mode, changes in probe position can be made by holding the left mouse button down over the probe control icons to drag the TEE probe as required. Probe depth, turning left and right, anteflexion and retroflexion, lateral flexion, and rotation of the ultrasound plane can all be controlled. Fine control of the probe can be achieved by rolling the central wheel of the mouse.